How to find saved videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your saved videos on YouTube. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the YouTube, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, if you scroll down there, you'll find all your saved and personal content. So there you can just tap on the playlist, and here you can just tap on the watch later section where you have saved all your content. But as of right now, I haven't saved any videos right here. You can also tap on the liked videos to see all the videos that you have liked so far. And there, if you have saved the videos, then you can simply go back, and here you can just tap on downloads to see the videos that you have downloaded so far. And here, if you can't find saved videos, make sure that you are signed in with the same Google account that you have used to save or download the videos. So as you see, now here, if I save the videos to the playlist, it will be saved on the watch later playlist section. Now here, if I check on the watch later again, there you can see the videos have been saved. And that's it. That's how you can find saved videos on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.